How's it going? Cole here with Dent Out PDR. Did some late night hail repair. Actually making this one not on dents. This video is to outline how to change your air filter in a 2016 Honda Accord. So the first thing you're going to want to do here is locate where is this air filter at? Right here, driver's side, we have our battery. Right behind our battery, air filter. Now let's see what we have to do to open this baby up. There's two clips right here. We flip them. Flip this one. One more on this side. Right there. Hope you can see that. Let's flip that. This is the tricky part. Right here, two tabs. Those tabs can pose a little problem if you're not ready for them. Let's see how we deal with that. So these two tabs, you gotta lift up this back end just a tiny bit. We're gonna shift this way to be towards your engine block. Bang! Pull out air filter. Buy a new one for a few bucks. And there you go. Dent Out PDR, we don't change air filters, but I'd like to show you things that we figure out as we go here. If you have dents, dings, hail damage like this vehicle, give us a call, 904-947-3368. Thank you.